Goa government's ESMA enforcement against transporters' strike on 2nd September will not affect the scheduled protest. ITEC leader Advocate Suhas Naik is confident as the strike notice was issued 4 months back. If government intends, ESMA should be imposed across the country. Trade unions and transporters have called for a Bharat Bandh on 2nd September against Road Transport and Safety Bill 2015. Meanwhile, Chief Minister assured that government will not let the normal life paralyzed.
फाल्यां 2 सप्टेंबर 2015 आणि 2 सप्टेंबराक संपूर्ण देशान बंदाची हाक दिल्ली आसा आणि त्या बंदाक सपोर्ट म्हणून गोंयांत देशव्यापी संपाक गोंयकार सहभागी जातले, ट्रान्सपोर्ट सहभागी जातले, कामगार सहभागी जातले, शेतकरी सहभागी जातले आणि बाकीच्या सगळ्या वाठारांतल्यो संघटना सहभागी जातल्यो. ह्या संपाची नोटीस सरकाराक 4 महिने फाटी दिल्ली. सगळ्या कामगार संघटनांनी संपाची नोटीस 4 महिने फाटी दिल्ली आणि सरकाराची जापसालदारकी असली की सगळ्या कामगार संघटनाच्या फुडाऱ्यांक आफोवन तांचे कडेन वाटाघाटी करून सजेशनां घेवन कायदो जर नवीन येता जाल्यार त्या नवीन कायद्याक कितें दुरुस्ती करपाक जाय हेजेर मांडावळ करपाक. कित्याक रस्ता वाहतूक बिल जें आसा हें टोटली ह्या देशांतल्या सर्वसामान्य लोकांच्या विरोधांत आसा. FDI जे येता ते टोटली ह्या देशांतल्या किराणा आणि घाऊक विक्रेते शॉपवाले आसा त्यांच्या विरोधांत आसा. शेतकरी बिल जे लँड एक्विजिशन येता जे आतां फ्रिजान घातिल्लें आसा ते बिल टोटली शेतकऱ्याच्या विरोधांत आसा आणि कामगारांच्या विरोधांत कायदे 14 कायदे येता. सो हे सगळे कायदे हाडच्या पयलीं सरकाराची जापसालदारकी आसली की सगळ्या कामगार संघटनांक एकठांय हाडून तांकां बसोवन वाटाघाटी करून एक तोडगो काडपाक. आणि आयज हें सरकार एजमा लायता पूण आमी ह्या सरकाराक सांगपाक सोदता की एजमा लाय जावं आनी कितें लाय, जे लोक भायर सरल्या ते लोक पोट तिडकीन भायर सरल्या स्वताचे हिताचे रक्षण करपाक, स्वताच्या डेमोक्रेटीक रायट जी आसा, फंडामेंटल रायट जी आसा तेजे रक्षण करपाक आणि सरकाराचो विरोध करपाक भायर सरलेले आसा आणि एजमा विल नॉट स्टॉप दीस वर्कर्स.
Crime Branch has received the bank account details of Louis Berger Company, which clearly show that bribe money was transacted from its US office to India office. Police has also received a copy of the spreadsheet, which was fabricated to conceal the bribe money trail. Ministry of Home Affairs has approved the application of Crime Branch to initiate letter-rogatory process to obtain case-related documents from the US court.
Crime Branch has succeeded in obtaining another clinching evidence in JICA bribery case. Louis Berger Company on Monday supplied Crime Branch the account details of companies by which the bribe money was transacted from its US-based office to India office. Crime Branch is scanning that documents. Louis Berger Company has also recently supplied Crime Branch the copy of the spreadsheet, which was fabricated to conceal the bribe money trail. The spreadsheet was mentioned by former Louis Berger Asia head James McClung in his confessional statement before the US court. According to sources, Crime Branch has also received copies of email communication within Louis Berger officials regarding the bribe. Crime Branch is analyzing the email communication to ascertain role of Louis Berger officials and the accused. Ministry of Home Affairs has already approved the application of Crime Branch to initiate letter-rogatory process to obtain case-related documents from US court. A senior police officer told Prudent that they are hopeful to receive approval letter from Ministry of Home Affairs in a day or two, and as they receive it, they will approach the special court. Meanwhile, the former JICA project director Anand Vachasundar in his fresh bail application filed before the Panji Special Court has contended that Digambar Kamath is the prime beneficiary of the bribe money. Vachasundar has further contended that Digambar Kamath allegedly received a huge bribe amount has been granted anticipatory bail. Hence, he should also be granted bail on ground of parity.
The change in circumstances and parity, these are the two grounds. The investigation is almost over. And then more than 1 month has passed. He's in custody. Therefore, as far as he's concerned, the investigations are over and other co-accused have been granted bail. In this case, they say I was a stimulator. They have never said that I was a beneficiary. I have not taken a single paisa in this case.
Crime Branch opposing his bail plea sought time to file reply. According to sources, Crime Branch has strong apprehensions that Vacha Sundar may tamper with the witnesses and evidences, considering his conduct in providing false RTI reply to Digambar Kamath. Crime Branch is most likely to produce confessional statement of JICA surveyor Uday Mandvalkar before the court while opposing his bail plea. Mandvalkar in his statement has confessed that he was pressurized by Vacha Sundar to furnish false RTI reply to Digambar Kamath, stating that all files has been taken by Crime Branch. The court will hear his bail plea on Thursday afternoon. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
No entry one way, compulsory left. Be alert, be very careful when you travel in Panji. Capital city's major roads have turned one-way routes from today. MG Road and Dada Vaidya Road near Mahalakshmi Temple is now a one-way. New system will be in force for a month on trial. Later final decision will be taken after studying the impact. If one enters no entry by ignorance during a trial month, he will not be fined. Commuters on Tuesday had a tough time to adapt to the new system.
By the CCP is really good. I request the public to strictly follow the traffic rules. This will help in smooth flow of the traffic as well as minimize the congestion. Today is the first day and we can see the difference. Traffic is moving smoothly and this is on trial basis. I request that this should be made permanent. Thank you.
एजन पणजेचे मेजर रस्ते वन वे करता ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन कंट्रोल करपा खातीर तो सुरवात खंयच्यान जाता
वो आतां पळय हांगाच्यान जो पळय आतां फिदाल्गो आहा पळय हॉटेल फिदाल्गो कडल्यान जो रस्तो टुवर्ड्स DBB मार्ग येता हो वन वे जाता. आतां आमी आझाद मैदाना कडेन उबे आसा. हो आझाद मैदान आमच्या फाटल्यान आहा तो आनी CCPचें ऑफिस अशें उरलें. हे वटेन डॉन बॉस्को उरलें. तितून हांगाच्यान तुमकां अप टू डॉन बॉस्को आनी डॉन बॉस्को फुडें अप टू काकुला आयलंड पर्यंत वचूंक मेळटलें. येवंक मेळचें ना ह्या रस्त्यान. ही वन वे जाली. तशीच थंयच्यान म्हणजे फ्रॉम CCP कुंडयकर नगर म्हणटा थंयच्यान अशें येवंक मेळटलें तुमकां वचूंक मेळचें ना. तसोच आतां फाटल्यान पळय सेकॉल आसा. सेकॉला कडल्यान तुमच्यानी असो येवपाक जाता भितर. सेकॉला कडल्यान अशें सरळ काफे भोसले बी ना थंयच्यान चर्च पॉयंटी कडेन वचूंक मेळटा. येवपाक मेळचें ना.
ओके. आनी हांगसर गोविंदा बिल्डींग म्हटलें
हे पळय ती गोविंदा बिल्डींग. ती युको बँक आहा पळय ती गोविंदा बिल्डींग. गोविंदा बिल्डींग आतां हो येवपाक मेळ्ळो न्ही. गोविंदा बिल्डींग कडल्यान वचपाचो सामको महालक्ष्मीच्या दारान पर्यंत. सो अशें एक रस्त्यान वचपाक मेळटा एक रस्त्यान येवपाक मेळटा अशें आमी तें हें केलां. म्हणजे ऑल्टरनेट रस्तो वन वे केला. तो पलासे ते गोवा रायट अप टू सिनोर येवपाचो रस्तो. म्हणजे कितें आसा जो पळय असो आयलो तो लेफ्ट टर्न घेतलो असो गेलो लेफ्ट टर्न घेतलो परत 18 जुनार पावलो. So every left turn you are taking, you are reaching back at the same spot.
ओके. आनी
So whole of Panji is divided into loops.
ओके. आनी पयलीं पणजेन वन वे आसले ते पयलींचे वन वेन कितें चेंजीस केल्या की
ना ते एक्झिस्टिंग तशेंच आसा. तातूंत आमी कांय चेंजीस करूं ना. फक्त हे नवे आमी ऍड केल्या. सो होल ऑफ पंजीम सिटी हॅज बिकम अ वन वे.
तुमचे पुलीस आसतले हांगसर गायड
हय 110 पुलीस घेतिल्ले आसा आमी. फॉर द नेक्स्ट 15 days आमी फक्त गायड करतले लोकांक. चलनींग बी कांय जावचें ना. We will be only guiding. Startingaक मातशें confusion जातलें. Everything will fall into place.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.